Abang Muhammad Halidi and my student ID is 2024412662. What is compound interest? What is annuity? So let's watch our video for more information.
What is compound interest? In simple terms, compound interest can be defined as interest you earn on interest with a savings account that earns compound interest. You earn interest on the principal, the initial amount deposited, plus on the interest that accumulates over time.
S equivalent to P times 1 plus I power of N. Capital I equivalent to S minus P. P is original principal. S is future value or maturity value. Capital I is interest amount. Small capital I is interest rate per interest period. Small I equivalent to K per M. N is number of interest period. N equivalent to M times T. K is nominal interest rate. Annually is 1. Semi-annually is 2. Quarterly is 4 and monthly is 12.
Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. For example, shop rental, insurance policy premium, annual dividends received, installment payments, and a loan repayment. The payments are made at the end of each payment period. The interest and payment periods are of the same interval. It enables people to plan for the future in terms of investments and savings.
So, for this part, we should know what is S, what is A, what is R, what is small letter n, and what is small letter I. For the first S is for future value of annuity, total savings, and accumulated amount of unpaid payments. For A is for present value of annuity, the original loan and initial amount in the savings. Third, for R is for amount of the periodic or series payments. And for small letter n is for number of interest periods or payment. And for the last one is small letter I is for interest rate per interest period. We have two formula for saving and two formula for loan. In saving, we have formula to find future value, which is S equal to R bracket in bracket 1 plus I, the power of n minus 1 divide I. Meanwhile, for loan is to find have two formula, which is to find present value. And the formula is A equal to R bracket 1 minus n bracket 1 plus I, the power of negative n. Other than that, for saving also have the formula for find interest, which is for saving is I equal to S minus R in bracket n. For loan, to find interest is I equal to R in bracket n minus A.
Let's start with question 1A. From the above information, determine the amount that she allocates for the investment. 43,000 multiplied with 60% equal to 25,800. Next, question 1B. For option 1, for the first 6 years, we use formula S6 equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N equal to 25,800 bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 6 bracket to the power of 36 equal to 31,809.48 cents. By using the same formula for the next 4 years, which is S4 equal to 31,809.48 cents bracket 1 plus 0.043 over 2 bracket to the power of 8 equal to 37,710.61 cents. For option 2, we use the same formula for the first 6 years, which is S6 equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of n equal to 25,800 bracket 1 plus 0.047 over 3 bracket to the power of 18 equal to 34,130.39 cents. And the next 4 years, we use S4 equal to 34,130.39 cents bracket 1 plus 0.036 over 12 bracket to the power of 48 equal to 39,408.50 cents.
For question 1C option 1, the total amount interest is S minus P, 37,710 ringgit and 61 cent minus 25,800 equivalent to 11,910 ringgit and 61 cent. For option 2, the total amount interest equivalent to S minus P, 39,408 ringgit and 15 cent minus 25,800 equivalent to 13,608 ringgit and 15 cent. For question 1D, Helena should choose option 2 because it provides a higher final amount and greater interest earning.
Question 2A. For this question, we will use formula of future value, which is S equal to R bracket in bracket 1 plus I, the power of n minus 1 divided by I, which is we use the same formula but if s equal to r bracket in bracket 1 plus k divide m, the power of mt minus 1 divide bracket k divide m. So first, we need to change the letter and fill it with the number from the question, which is k is 0.035 or 3.5%, m is 12, r is 3700, multiplied by 15%, which is we will get 555, and s is 50,000, which is from down payment. So now what is missing is year. So now from the question we need to find and we need to justify what is year. So 50,000 equal to 555 bracket in bracket 1 plus 0.035 divide by 12, the power of 12 multiplied by t minus 1 divide 0.035 divide by 12. Next we will use log, which is n log 1.0029166667 equal to log 1.26762792, and we will arrange it properly, which is n equal to bracket log 1.26762792 divided by log 1.00261967, and we will get the answer from the calculator, which is n is 80.1058. And we need to know that now we want to find years, so we will divide 80.1058 with 12, so that we will get 6.68 years. For question 2b, we will use the formula of present value, which is a equal to r bracket 1 minus m bracket 1 plus I, the power of negative n divide I. Also, it's similar to a equal to r bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus k divide by m, the power of negative mt divide k divide m. Before we start to use the formula, we need to justify what is k, m, t, a, and r. So here it is. K is 0.045 or 4.5%, m is 12, t is 30, a is 47,000 minus 50,000, so it will equal to 42,000. And now we need to find r, which is a periodic payments, and it needs to be in RM, Ringgit Malaysia. 42,000 equal to r or x bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.045 divide 12, the power of 12 divide 30, and in negative divide by 0.045 divide 12. So we will know the answer for r is 2,128 ringgit and 8 cent.
For question C, we need to use the formula I equal to n times r minus a, which is 12 times 30 times 2,128 ringgit and 8 cent minus 420,000. The answer is 346,108.80. Question D, in order to find the answer, we need to use the formula S equal to R, open bracket, 1 plus I, power of n minus 1 divided by I, close bracket. Substitute the value, R equal to 2128.08, open bracket, 1 plus I, which is K divided by M, K equal to 0.045 and M equal to 12, power of n, which is n equal to m times t. T is equal to 8 over 12 minus 1, divided by I, 0.045 divided by 12. So the answer is 17249.77. Question E. The total period of the loan is 30 years, but he already paid for 27 years. Therefore, he wanted to settle the loan, which is 3 years. In order to find the answer, we need to use the formula A equal to R, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus I, power of negative n divided by I, close bracket. Substitute the value, A equal to 2128.08, open bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 0.045 divided by 12, power of negative 12 times 3 divided by 0.045 divided by 12, close bracket. And you get the answer, which is A equal to 71539.50.
That's all from us. Thank you.